Hello parents, this is Dr. Mary L. Young, the fairy godmother of education, and I'm here to tell you how to win the battle in your child's school because I have all the secrets. Today is Word Up Wednesday, and the theme for Word Up Wednesday is Understand the Assignment Part 4. Did you know that if your child has an IEP, which is an individual education plan, that you have the right to decide what goes in that plan in relation to your child? Yes, the school will make recommendations as it relates to the goals that your child should focus on, the areas that your child, based on the assessment, has struggles in. But did you know that the accommodations that they recommend are accommodations that can be changed? And so if you're saying, based upon your child's need, that their child needs additional time, maybe to take a test, maybe additional time to do an assessment, and that's not in your child's IEP, you can make that recommendation as a parent. Why? Because you are an engaged parent. Once again, understand the assignment.